If you have a Concepta 3 push version with the ejector that when the door is in the pocket, you push on it and the door ejects, that has broken. What is happening is when the customer is pulling on the door rather than pushing, it is putting too much force on these retractor teeth here, these holding teeth, and the internal components are breaking. Here's how to fix this issue. What you'll want to do is lock your upright in place with the locking actuated hooks accessible from the front on the end stops. Top and bottom. You'll need to take the door off so that you can access the hardware, and you will need a T15 driver. What you will do is remove the screws on the front of the ejector mechanism that's accessible from the front of the pocket, and we'll replace those internal components. And I'll show you here what we do. We take this ejector mechanism and we unscrew the T15 threaded screws on the front. Now you want to, before you remove the second screw, make sure that you've got a finger or something holding this internal assembly from popping out. And you'll see why here in a second. There is a spring that pushes this out, but you can simply pull the internal mechanism out, leave the frame attached to the upright, acquire a new internal component, and really all you need is the center piece that has the gripping teeth on it. And you'll see that the other part here has interlocking stems that hold it in position. You'll replace these internal components, put the assembly back into the frame, and then tighten down your screws again with your T15 driver. And that should fix the issue with the door holding and ejecting from the pocket.